Today, I had a so-so day. Not a great day. It's raining. It's been raining. I came home and Eleanor threw up like everywhere. My allergies are acting up. I haven't been feeling well. You know what I need? I need something incredibly cute. Maybe a box of many cute things. I need KAWAII box. It's Sonnie coming at you with another video from Fukuoka, Japan, and I am so excited to be doing my second ever giveaway, and today it is all about cute stuff. Japan has a huge kawaii culture. So if you don't know, kawaii is cute. Basically cute. Everybody says it all the time about everything. Anything cute, basically. Colorful, girly, cute is kawaii. And the kawaii culture here is huge. So I have this kawaii box, and I'm really excited to tell you that I got one and you can get one completely for free. I have the details about the giveaway at the end of this video, and I'm so excited to share that with you. I've already done one giveaway previously, and that was for the Japanese candy box. And this works in the same way. You can get 1 month for one set price, or you can order it more in bulk, like for 6 months and then 12 months. And the more you order, the less it costs per month. So I'll have the website and the giveaway linked in the description box below so you can check that out. So now, let's open it. So I'm anticipating that it's gonna be a lot of stationery stuff. Cute kawaii stationery is like really, really big in Japan. All my girls have it. Okay, let's see. Oh, once again, very cute custom tissue paper. And this, I'm guessing, has information on what's in the box, but I don't want anything spoiled, so I'm not gonna look at that right away. Even the box itself is super cute. So let's get into it. Okay, I'm instantly so excited. Oh my god, I'm so excited. It's cat stuff. That's so cool. Neko is cat. Donut squishy. It's like a little penny. It's like a little penny that you can squish. Oh, it's so cute. I feel bad squishing it. No, I don't. I really like squishing it. It feels really cool. Oh, I really like it. It has a little tail, and that's the little donut hole. It's not really a hole. Let's see what else. What else is in here? Okay, this is the next thing I spotted. More donuts. That's 2 donut-themed things in one. It said, since 2005, sweets, sweet day. The only thing that would make it better is if it had like poor English on it. I love finding English. I'm classy. It's cute. It's really, really good quality. I'm really surprised. This doesn't feel flimsy. I don't know if you can see, but it's really thick. And it really feels like it's gonna hold up and last a really long time. I'm really impressed by that. Sweet Donuts purse. Yeah, so it looks like a little change purse, but that's really cute. I like it a lot. This is what I heard rattling in here before. It looks like it's a snack too. This is the same company that I did the last giveaway with, and I wasn't anticipating that there would be snacks in here. That's cute. So it opens up on the top here, and then these little ball things slide out. They taste like ichigo, like strawberries. Oh my god, they're so good. They have little crunchies on the inside. The outside is strawberry, and then chocolate on the inside too. They're really good. I like these a lot. If you are debating between a Japanese candy box and this box, if this comes with candy, which look, I have another candy. I'd recommend this box probably, if you can't do both. Pop can. Okay, it's a lollipop, so I'm not gonna open this. Maybe I'll open it at the end. Oh, look! It's a flamingo! It's a flamingo pen! See? Stationary. What did I tell you? Oh, this is so soft. You see this little flamingo pen? It's so soft. And it's just a regular pen. This is the fancy part. You can kind of do this. Like it's like a medieval or Renaissance mace. I know that's not the point and it wouldn't be very effective as that, but that's what I think of. Oh god, I am not kawaii. What is this? Are these hair clips? I think these are hair clips. Okay, so me personally, these look pretty juvenile, not really my style. There's one. They're like little bunnies with glasses. They're cute. They're just not really my style. Oh, it's more cat stuff. Yay! What is this? Oh, it's just a little notebook with cats. Wait, it has English in it. It says, "This is a beautiful place. I would often go to here to have a look." Oh my god, that sounds like I'm reading one of my kids, like when I'm grading their papers and stuff. But yeah, okay, wait, let me just show you this, how about? So it has some Japanese writing here, and then it looks like some cats. I don't know, they're just having a great time at the lake. One's fishing, they're on the docks. It's so cute. But yeah, then the inside looks like this. That's so cute. The cat's all down here, and the little English. I gotta say, they got very close to good English there. But that's cute. It's like this little book, and you can circle what day of the week it is, and you can circle the weather conditions for that day and keep it like a little diary. Oh wait, the pages are different. There's cats eating cupcakes, and like they have menus and they're at a restaurant. There's cats at an onsen. Oh, this is the best. This made my day so much better. DIY cross stitch. Oh, like a sewing kit. Oh gosh. Okay. This is taking a turn now. I don't sew. Joe has asked me to sew so many things, and I'm like, you know just as much about sewing as I do. Now this is cute. Oh, it comes with a needle, it comes with a thread. It's really, really thick thread. So maybe I can do this. Oh, and it's a camera and it says cheese! Okay, I wanna do this. Look, I love photography and it says cheese. Two more things. So this is My Melody. It's a standing notepad. Okay, that's cool. So this one, you're supposed to stick this message part on something, and then this can fold up so that she sticks up and the message sticks onto whatever you want it to stick on. That's cute. And then this one, it looks like you write the message and you stick this in the keyboard so that she stands up with it. So you can see that here. That's cute. I'm totally gonna bring these to work and use them when I need to write a note to one of the other teachers asking them about a lesson plan or something like that. I can stick these on the worksheets that I make. And the last thing in this box, which had way more than I expected, is just this pack of stickers. And that's very nice because I can give these to my students. They're very cute. Chou kawaii this. Chou kawaii this. So cute. Extremely cute. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 things. That is so freaking cool. And they're so cute. Okay, so I said I was gonna try this so I can review the lollipop while I say goodbye and everything. It's child-proof and it's Sonnie-proof, apparently. Alright, you know what? I'm gonna use my scissors. We also use these on the cat's butt fur, but then we sanitize them, so it's okay. Okay, it's cute! It's also cute. Everything is cute. It's Mickey Mouse. Oh. Oh, it's like pink lemonade. I think it's part strawberry and part lemon. That's really good. Oh, I'm happy. Let me tell you more about this giveaway. Basically, just click on the link. I'll provide one in the comments and I'll have one in the description box below, and enter your information. You don't have to enter your address or anything like that. It's just your email address. And in a couple of weeks, they contact me with the winner. I email you personally and let you know that you've won, and you have to send me then your address and everything. I'm kind of the middleman, so hopefully you trust me enough to do that. The last winner of my giveaway was from America, a woman from America who loved it, and that was very exciting. I was so happy to hear from her after she received it. But majority of my viewers are from America and the UK, so UK people, come on, enter. If you personally are maybe not that interested in the kawaii culture, maybe you know someone who would love a free box of adorable, awesome things from Japan, because this would be a great gift too. Seriously, I was walking from my school to the train station, and that's like a 15-minute walk, and then the train ride, and then the walk home. I have like over an hour commute, and because it was raining, there was this puddle and a van was coming by, and it completely splashed me with water. And I thought that stuff only happened like on TV. So I just was like, seriously? Wasn't having the best day, but I'm so glad that I filmed this because this was so awesome, and now I get to share it with you. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit that like button, comment below with what you loved the most. I think my favorite thing is either the cat squishy, because it looks like a penny, or this, because this is really high quality. I'm not kidding you, it feels really good. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Also, last thing, for my longtime viewers, that have stayed this long until the complete end of the video, I have a question for you guys. Basically, Joe has been hounding me to start a Patreon. I'm not exactly comfortable starting a Patreon. My laptop's kind of kicking the bucket, so, you know, it would be helpful to be able to buy a laptop that can handle editing, you know, to go towards that. Everything that I make for YouTube goes towards more stuff, but I really don't make that much, shocker. But I was thinking, instead of a Patreon or something like that, what would you guys think if I got a P.O. box here in Japan? Some of you have contacted me asking if I had one, asking if you could send me some stuff, and then maybe I could open those packages live and we can talk then. I don't know. Give me your thoughts, comment below, and let me know what you think. I won't be offended either way. If you're like, hell no, I don't want to send you anything, no problem. You don't really know me. That's totally fine. But if enough of you guys do want to send me some snacks from your home country or other cute things like this or whatever, let me know if that would be something that you'd be interested in. Okay, I'm gonna shut up now. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next week. Bye.